Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to our Trump update today, and I have given this call on the Discord to take Trump. Today I actually noticed throughout January that a lot of people have been messaging me saying that they have been losing money in crypto, and a lot of people have been very depressed with how January has become. Honestly, even I'm pissed off with how trashy January really was, and I said somewhere down the road we shall have a good entry with a chance of good win in our bag. While that one call was for private, I feel out of sympathy I'll give it as a freebie. So this freebie is Trump. Okay, so this is me trying my best here. It can actually fail, maybe it will play out, I don't know, but it's a good entry. I feel it's a good entry. I feel like maybe it's gonna play out eventually, because you cannot really judge a person who saw that Trump is nearly 68% down. Okay, we're at 68% discounted. Okay, so I don't have any other choice than to actually tell you to risk 3%. Will it play out? I don't know. All right, but if it plays out, you have 39%. And why do you have 39%? It's because you have a nice good falling wedge, almost a falling wedge here. So there's your wedge, and you have and I'm actually giving this call right at the support level. So you have one support here, you got another support right there, and then you got another support that has happened, support number 3. Eventually, what I expect to see is a break to the upside finally, and then a technical target up to $35.3, which is the technical target of this triangle. And that's a relief. Okay, that's a relief. Going to 35 is still quite realistic, considering where did you came from. You came from, all the way from $78. So getting $35 is very realistic. So I do hope this one does end up playing out. And also, let's check the RSI. Maybe I'll just do this on the 4-hour time frame as well. So let's dive into the 4-hour, and here it is. Now the RSI doesn't have too much information, so we don't have too much confidence on the RSI, but hopefully on the chart pattern here, at least we do have something that is bullish, something that we can rely on. And that bullish thing is simply nothing more than this little bit of a falling wedge that we have. And falling wedge are bullish patterns, right? So you do have a bullish pattern. To summarize things once again, you are 68% discounted, almost 70%, and you have a falling wedge that is being created right now. And psychologically, I do believe a lot of people have given up on Trump. But I had this on my watch list for a while, and I actually even gave this on the private. I actually told them that, you know what, within 2 days, Trump is coming to a decision. So by the look of things, it is down, and my target to move up 35%. Okay, so in 2 days, right, this triangle, if you take the upper resistance and the lower support, and then you combine the conjunction together, we have time until 2nd of February. So basically 2 days. Today is 1st. As I'm speaking, 1st actually started. It started 2 minutes ago. A new month started 2 minutes ago for me as I'm speaking. So 1st of February has already started right here, and then we have 2nd of February until 1 o'clock. So I may say it is almost up in the next 50 hours, right? In the next 50 hours, you do have a decision coming up. And my best take is that this decision is to move the coin to the upside, because you are way too down and people are way too bearish at the moment, that everyone will be opening up short position thinking that it's going to fall anyway more. I think it's time to have that little bit of a push to the upside and surprise a lot of people. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love is.